Ka College of Teachers Education ni ka bajuria tip ka PGT College kala Pynlong ya ka Symposium bat ka panel discussion ka ba Arsngi lenter bani tai halor ka phang prospect and challenges of teachers education in the light of NEP 2020.
Hagani ka jingilang ka bala Pynlong halor ka phang ka bala bu prospects and challenges of teacher education in the light of National Education Policy 2020. Laidon rangkat Vice Chancellor Jang University of Science and Technology Meghalaya, Professor GD Sharma Kumukongsan, rangkat ka jingidon lang ka Principal Jang ka College of Teacher Education PGT Shillong, Dr. Vanessa Karmoplang, bat kiwede ki blasha khot ngobha. Ha kani ka jingilang play kani ka lumpung ni merjingmot ka ba Arsngi, la yoru e ka jingkran lampang halor kani ka phang kabayatai ha kani ka lumpung na Dr. BH Buam. Bat layo jingkran ru no head of Department ka Higher Professional Education, Professor Sudhanshu Bhushan, Professor Dr. Akhtar Siddiq, Jong ka Jamia Millia Islamia University New Delhi, bat kiwe-kiwe. Hagini ka Arsngi hagini ka lumpung yatai, layakren bat yathir halor kalaway bagajing e ajikino hikai kiwe kendo na kapor ban penso thiet e gajing nang jing start ak imlang saalang. Bat kamtam hakabayday, bat ka policy ka bathamay ka puliputhi ka balatip, kum ka National Education Policy Arhajar Arpo.